What would you say is now the #1 cause of death in the African American community?
Heart disease.
Oh, HIV/AIDS.
Diabetes, cancer, AIDS.
I'll say heart disease. AIDS.
From what I heard, it's probably AIDS, you know.
Probably heart disease.
I think heart disease.
HIV. No. Gang violence.
What if I told you the real answer was abortion?
Shocked. Pause it for a second. Pause it. He was like, I would have never thought of that. All of the people naming everything else except that. You want to know why? Because the media have blinded us to the thing that's literally killing us the most. Because we went to sleep to common sense. We went to sleep to things that's happening right up on our nose, and we're watching TV, watching stuff on the news and all of that stuff, and we're getting carried away with that, but not even looking at the things that's killing us the most.